What video game sound effect can you still hear in your head? Coin popping out of a brick in Super Mario Bros. Edit. Thanks for the kindness, rich internet persons. The music for level 1 to 2. I hum it all the time. Hey, what kind of overalls does Mario like to wear? Denim, denim, denim. Yoshi's tongue worm is going to be ingrained in my head forever. Edit. Jesus, came home from work to 22k upvotes and gold. Gonna have to write an award ceremony speech crediting Yoshi for my success. Editing the tongue worm onto lizards just doing their thing will forever be peak comedy. You beat me to it, but I can still one-up you by sharing the link. Here you go, m.youtube.com. Sega. Edit. Blooming heck. Ridiculous, thanks for the silver and gold. I just posted this as a throwaway before bed, so waking up to all these memories is ace. I debated punctuation and caps but ended up going all caps just because I remember how spine-boltingly loud it always was, especially when me and my brother would try and sneak the Mega Drive upstairs for a late-night game or two. Sega. That is exactly the correct number of E's and A's. Impressive. Fatality. Toasty. Finish him. Get over here. Flawless victory. The Game Boy startup sound, if that counts. Boo ding. Then when you got a little more advanced, boah. Ting. Fame. Edit. My most upvoted Reddit thing is about Game Boys. All is right with the world. First time I turned on my new SP and heard that, I knew I was in for some future shit. Backlight bitches. I sometimes turned it on without a cartridge just to keep staring at that beautiful crisp Game Boy logo on a backlit screen. Good times. Waka 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 from Pac-Man. Double kill, triple kill, kill-tacular. Gained the lead, lost the lead, tied the leader. Flag dropped, flag taken, flag dropped, flag taken, flag dropped, flag taken, flag captured. Falcon Punch Park Fire. Okay. Show me your moves. Yes. Park Thunder. PS2 booting up, if that counts. Edit. Thanks for first silver, kind stranger. Edit 2, gold 2. Never felt this loved. Slams piano keys voom. Edit. THX for first silver. Edit 2. Holy shit, I got gold, tie. This comment exploded more than I thought it would. GameCube opening sequence. Doobu 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 boo doobu boo doobu boo boo vau yumf. Really nailed I with that last buvumf. Mario jump collecting coins, rings, and Sonic Sim Speechia Sports. It's in the game. Edit, my apologies. Rings in Sonic, coins in Mario. SMH, it's been too long since I played either of them. EA Games challenge everything. Thanks for transporting me back to Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban for PS2. God, I loved the old Harry Potter games. I played the first 2 on PC. I really hope that new RPG that leaked last year can bring some of that magic back. The ones where you had to trace the circle with your wand in class? Lamau, those were my shit. The Yoshi hover grunt from Yoshi's Island, my first video game ever. Smile. Edit, the Go version. Hung NNNNNGHHHH. The secret sound from the Zelda series, it's been my text message tone for almost a decade. Hey, listen. Nernroot. Is my tinnitus acting up, or is that just Nernroot? The health Reagan humming from Halo. Edit, thanks for the award, Chief. Beat me to it, the shield's restoring, yeah. For me it's the bip, 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 beep from starting a multiplayer game. So cool of them to use it in the opening drop in ODST. Oh man, that brings me back to late night custom games where my friends would always cancel the match start right at the last second. It was so cathartic to finally hear the final beep. The M1 guaranteeing when you fire the last bullet. Has to be my favorite sound in the world. COD 2 Big Red 1 did it best. Get over here. All the Age of Empires 2 villager sounds. Show. My goodness, you nailed it. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. Captain Price was a god among men. Enemy AC 130 above. EA Sports, it's in the game. Challenge everything. The battle music from the original Pokemon games. You'll love this, youtube.com. The composer really didn't have to flex that hard, but we thank them all the more for it. The Leap of Faith Eagle Screech from Assassin's Creed. Also every sync sound. Epic. Minecraft Villager. Hermf HRRRM and HRRRM. Don't forget slightly lower pitched HRMM. And the inquisitive, Herm. Skyrim's level up sound effect. Ha. Hooah. Ha. Minecraft eating noises. All sounds from Minecraft TBH. I still have the Minecraft oof sound stuck in my head even though that sound effect hasn't been in the game for a few years. I dearly miss it, the massive crunch after the change was horrifying. FF Victory Fanfare. Watch those wrist rockets. Super Battle Droid knock 'em down. Just like the simulations. Sonic both when he drowns or when you get that last second bubble to save yourself from drowning. That drowning music still makes my heart race. I have it as a ringtone for people I need to answer urgently. That sounds horrible. Great idea. Call of Duty hit marker. THP THP THP. In Rayman there are these little things behind doors and when you get close to the door they say help me. Squeaky chain help. The click, 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 click of a coaster going up a hill from any of the Roller Coaster Tycoon games. Ah, fresh meat. Hello my friend. Stay a while and listen. The original PlayStation startup sound. MW2 Tactical Nuke Countdown. I can't believe nobody has said the MW2 intervention firing sound. Pac-Man, take your pinky and scratch the inside of your ear 4 times to hear it for yourself. I was just about to put the waka, waka, waka from Pac-Man, now you got me with my finger in my ear. And it is surprisingly similar. Thanks. Silencer in GoldenEye Pew. The hammer from Donkey Kong, the sound when you mount onto Yoshi, the Pokemon Center healing sound, the sound on Skyrim when you complete or receive a quest, the sound of a door teleport in Doom Update. Thanks for all the responses guys. Poke Center sound also. Ding 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 a ding. An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain, double kill, triple kill, ah yes there goes everyone in the gank I warned them about. That notification kinda sound effect in GTA San Andreas, when it notifies you that your stamina has been upgraded for example. Also the sound after you lose the cops. The Circus of Value. Come back when you get some money, buddy. Yoda dying in LEGO Star Wars. Ow oof. Wasted. StarCraft Brood War, sound of Dragoon exploding into blue goo, sound of pylon warping, and you must construct additional pylons. Honestly every single sound in that game. Carrier has arrived. The opening to Skyrim. Hey, you. You're finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush, same as us, and that thief over there. Damn you Stormcloaks. Skyrim was fine until you came along. Empire was nice and lazy. Shut up back there. What's wrong with him, huh?